Have you ever wanted a fabric that is both durable and comfortable? Well, look here. We bring you the new Poplin fabric for superior texture and unique comfort. Poplin fabric. Crafted using the finest production methods to ensure exceptional durability and comfort. Carefully woven from a tight plain weave, our Poplin fabric has a smooth, crisp texture that's perfect for a variety of applications. This Poplin fabric is made from the finest quality cotton and is mercerized for a soft, smooth, crisp, and comfortable fabric. Our unique production method, using premium yarns and precise weaving techniques, ensures that every inch of the fabric is made to last. Whether you are making shirts, skirts, or bedding, Poplin is your best choice. It not only looks great, but is easy to work with, providing you with a quality making experience. You can choose from a wide range of Poplin fabrics in different colors and styles to meet your different design needs. Whether it's for business or leisure, Poplin can bring you a perfect wearing experience. Choose Textile for superior quality and comfort. Contact us today for more information.